Alright my good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don come your side with another legit intel wey I wan share give the general public. The koko be say the Rivers State governor wey dey go by the name Fubara, he don last break in silence. He don talk about the Federal High Court decision to stop the release of state allocations. And on top this very particular matter, Oga Fubara come dey yarn o say the court ruling na the list of people their worries. So that is to say, they get other pressing matters, they get other important issues, other things wey dey bother them wey pass the court ruling. No be small matter, my good people. The Rivers State governor now dey yarn all this level during one special Thanksgiving service wey dey organized by the state government on Wednesday, wey be the 30th day of this month October for inside this year 2024. And for inside this very particular Thanksgiving service, my good people, the Rivers State governor talk plenty things. So he can assure the general public, he can assure in supporters, say this in particular administration, so he will continue to dey make payments to contractors, and he go still make sure say workers their salary are very much disbursed as scheduled. He say no go allow the court ruling now come hinder payment to workers. Say no matter the matter, he go still continue to dey pay workers, and he go still continue to dey do in good work as governor of Rivers State. And this Thanksgiving service wey the Rivers State governor come dey yarn all this level, so e dey happen for the Alfred Death Thief Civic Center wey dey for inside Port Harcourt. And this Thanksgiving service was attended by top government officials, ogbonge men answer present, both party leaders and prominent gospel singers. All of them grace the occasion. Even Emeka Becky, wey be the chairman of the All Progressive Congress, plus in counterparts from the Action People's Party wey dey go by the name Sonny Wokekoro, all of them attend the Thanksgiving service. Then Oga Fubara now, wey be the Rivers State governor, come kuku use the platform to dey reflect on his administration's resilience. He can use the platform to talk about how this administration don stand steadfast upon all the escalating political crisis, upon all the palava wey just dey arise for inside Rivers State. Upon say the palava, e don even divide the Rivers State House of Assembly complex into two. And this political beef, my good people, e don dey go on for more than 1 year. So Governor Fubara now can use opportunity, can dey address the general public, can dey talk to in supporters. Normally, my good people, there is a saying that says, if nobody praise you, make it try, make you praise yourself. Because Governor Fubara like this now, he can dey praise himself. He can dey talk about all the things wey this in administration he don achieve. He say despite all the challenges, this in administration he don successfully lead over 1 year. The administration don dey go on. He don conduct local government elections against all odds. This administration, he don maintain a full cabinet despite attempts to undermine his leadership through resignations. Then Oga Sim come even dey talk about the ongoing project executions across Rivers State, and he can even mention the recent report wey position Rivers State as a leader in financial accountability and transparency. That is to say, when it comes to transparency, when it comes to accountability, when it comes to things wey good to democracy, na the Rivers State na dey lead. Na the Rivers State that be the 001 under the administration of Fubara. No be small matter like this, so my good people. The Rivers State governor can still proceed further. They address the violent confrontation with men in police uniforms for inside the 30th day of October for inside the year 2023. He can describe the incident as an assassination attempt wey dey very much orchestrated by political opponents. Then concerning the beef wey dey happen between him and the minister of the FCT wey be Oga Wike, the Rivers State governor wey be Fubara come dey talk about the things and things wey he dey regret and how our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu take cause am. Now make I yarn you legit, my good people. You know say the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, e get the time wey he bin propose peace to these two senior men wey get political kwata, wey be Wike and Governor Fubara. He bin wan settle their differences, and the Rivers State governor was ready. He now be want to make the matter e just settle once and for all, but e no work out sake of say Oga Wike was not ready to make out. He don already swear say this kwata na forever. Now for inside this Thanksgiving service, Oga Fubara come dey yarn say he no dey regret say he wan be make peace with the minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Oga Wike. But wetin dey pain am pass now be say Im don small dey realize say na dat im approach, dat im hand wey im bring out for peace, na im don allow im opponents to seize opportunities wey im for anticipate. That is to say, as our president now Bola Ahmed Tinubu come yarn give the both of them say oya make una settle una differences, Siminalayi Fubara now come relax im guard thinking say peace don finally arrive, not knowing say the faction of Oga Wike dem get their own plans. Now Siminalayi Fubara now dey talk say na that one na dey pepper am pass. He come back see if dem don use im head, come back see if dem don carry am take catch phone, come back see if while im relax im guard, the opponent come take 2 steps ahead of am. And normally my good people, those kind levels e no make sense at all. Now my good people, make no forget say I bin don give you reports when the minister of FCT wey be Wike im come outside for tori people their channel come dey talk say this political beef wey im get with the Rivers State governor say no going back, say na forever, sake of say the time wey im be governor im bin get im own political challenges with federal government, so therefore he wan become the political challenges wey Oga Siminalayi Fubara go face for this in administration. Then from there im come dey warn the Rivers State governor say make him buckle up make him tie im shokoto and make him ready because more wahala dey come for road. Maybe this court ruling now, this latest development from the Federal High Court wey dey for inside Abuja, na one of those wahala wey the minister of FCT Wike bin warn about. Normally all these kind challenges e no make sense. This political kwata now wey dey happen for inside Rivers State, e dey do more harm than good. Currently now, the Rivers State House of Assembly complex e don divide into 2. One faction dey support the Rivers State governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara and is being led by Oke Jumbo, while the other faction now wey dey support the minister of FCT Wike is being led by Martin Amewule. And this na the reason why court kukuma drop judgment say until there is one Rivers State House of Assembly, until they unite, until they come together as one, there will be no more Rivers State financial allocations. That is, they no go receive any sort of money from federal government until then dey under one umbrella. And my good people, the only way with this one umbrella matter go dey possible na if the faction wey dey support Wike come kuku surrender to the Rivers State governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara, then they come merge as one Rivers State Assembly complex, or na the faction wey dey support the Rivers State governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara come go bow to the faction wey dey support Wike, then they come merge as one. But between you and I, my good people, we know very well say this level it is very much impossible because these two men na their hot head if you boy yam. This, my good people, na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey give on our legit intel on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, I go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. I dey come your side with another legit intel for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.